Hello and welcome to PTS Primo Charts. This video is about the new industry and sector action dashboard. So for those that bought that product, and they should have the version of PTS Primo Charts 131 and up. You will see an icon that at the moment looks a little bit dark. We're going to change that. But when you hover over it, you will see that is the industry action dashboard. When you click on it, this is the page that will open on your folder. So the industry and sector action dashboard has a preloaded list of symbols that are sectorized by industry and by sector and by then the stocks. So let's go to the financials and go to banks, diversified banks. And then when you click on that, the list will upload into your computer. And it has a lot of columns that you can play with if you like, especially statistics. So apart from that, the scanner or the dashboard has different ways to look at the results for each of the stocks in that particular sector and industry. So you have the daily percentage change, the weekly change, the monthly change, the 3-month change, and you can read here all of the options that it has. And also on the table, you have pretty much the same options. If you don't want all of those options, you can go to the column manager and delete some of them. So for example, if you don't like the time, you highlight the time and move it to the left. Or you can move all of them to the left and just leave a couple that you like on the right hand side. Personally, I like everything. And then you can click apply if you want to hide columns. So I'm going to click apply. And another thing is that you can look for different sectors, technology, for example, communication equipment. It will load in with all of that information. You can save the list into, and when it says all, you can save that particular sector into our folder list here, okay? Also, you can save one column, like for example, you just want to change that the net change is up. So it's going to choose all of the instruments on this list which net change is positive. And also you can send the list to whatever scanners that you have open. So for example, I want to check all and send this particular list to my multi-scanner. And then I can go to the multi-scanner and that's the list that I sent. So this is a new feature that some of our scanners have. You can send the list to whatever scanner that you have open. So let's try to open, for example, the PTS Extreme Trend Scanner and the PTS, the PTS Strength Pullback Scanner. So I'm going to go back to the Industry Action Dashboard and I'm going to send all the lists to these 3 scanners, apply, and then you have the list on all of the scanners. So here you can scan, okay, and that's for the PTS Extreme Trend, and it's telling you all of the lists that you sent to it, okay. Same thing with the Strength Pullback Scanner. You scan and it will give you that particular list of instruments and the multi-scanner, of course. Here I have to select whatever I want to select, so I think I don't have strategy number 8, and I don't want to do the top bottom, I don't want to do the this low, and those two I already have, so that's what I want to do, and it shows the result. So it's very common that you see this type of help on the new scanners. Okay, so an industry action dashboard, that's the one that we're talking about. So I hope it helps. Bye bye.